Hi everyone, welcome back to Wisa Podcast.
Assalamualaikum. Good day to you, 2026. This podcast is brought to you and being sponsored by Terasa Digital Marketing Company.
We would like to wish Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy last day of the 2025.
Happy last day.
They be happy is the last day of 2025.
Happy last day of 2025.
Yeah. So if you end something with happiness, you're probably gonna start new things with happiness as well.
Amin. So sempena New Year, of course lah, semua orang talk about New Year resolution. But then, Twitter dia, most of the time, resolution yang tahun lepas still not being achieved yet. Dia akan keep bawa kepada tahun-tahun seterusnya.
A resolution, satu azam baru yang orang buat every year secara tradisinya. I'm not sure why kena tunggu ujung tahun, ada tahun baru nak ada azam baru.
You don't believe in that?
I don't believe in that.
So you believe in kalau nak buat azam, anytime can do?
I make resolution every day. You have to be better every day. Orang buat azam bukan untuk jadi makin teruk, makin hauk. Orang buat azam ni to be better than before.
Okay.
Year before you miskin, hari ni you nak kaya.
Okay.
Year before you tak ada kerja, hari ni you nak ada pekerjaan. And year before you make about 50,000 a year, and this year you want to make 150,000. Why do you have to wait for 365 days for you just to make a new resolution?
I think it's some psychological.
Psychology boleh buat hari-hari. Wake up in the morning, it's a new resolution that you want to be better than who you were yesterday.
So you yourself tak pernah ada azam baru bila
I have
New Year?
my new resolution is on daily basis and tak ada penghadan masa. Kalau you jadi hauk for another 364 days, you have to wait for another day, one more day to be another hauk. And then malam 31 bulan 12 that year you pun okay, aku dah jadi 364 hari campur satu hari hauk lauk gitu boh. I believe that everyone kena ada satu keazaman yang baru setiap masa. Sekurang-kurangnya hari-hari you have to be better than yesterday. Kalau yesterday aku jual cerita orang nak dapatkan duit and all that, contoh sebelum ni semalam lah aku duk cerita pasal orang buruk orang, sedangkan aku ni banyak buruk. Tomorrow I'm not gonna be the same person as I was yesterday.
Okay, that one kita cerita pasal resolution lah. To elicit, to achieve.
Work on it. Efforts.
Okay.
That's what matters. Aku tak tahulah, aku ada orang yang buat resolution nak jadi lagi jahat daripada hari sebelumnya. Dia jadi pencuri telur ayam, besok nak jadi penyambung pula, naik motor ni.
Azam juga.
Azam jalan ke neraka. Tak susah benda tu, tak payah buat azam pun tak apa. The road to hell is very simple. Don't have to do good things then.
This podcast is brought to you by Terasa, your digital marketing company.